Hello dear learners, I welcome you all to the today's video lecture on antileprotic drugs. Antileprotic drugs, we are going to see today in this video the repeatedly asked questions in the board examination. So these repeatedly asked questions are of really very important from your point of view to have a approach study. So we'll go to the repeatedly asked questions now. So first question is define antimicrobacterial agents and classify it with example. So as such in your syllabus, if you will see, there is not a separate topic given on antimicrobacterial agent, but it is a part of antitubercular as well as antileprotic. Why? Because the word suggests, as we have discussed earlier, antimicrobacterial means anti to mycobacteriums. So what are the diseases which are caused due to mycobacteria? The diseases are tuberculosis and leprosy. That is, mycobacterium tuberculosis causes TB and mycobacterium leprae causes leprosy. So the drugs which are working on mycobacterial species, that are known as antimicrobacterial agents. So the question is define antimicrobacterial agents and classify with example. So antileprotic question specifically it is not there, but classification they have asked of that of antimicrobacterial, and that too only once I think it has been asked in the exam, but the classification is asked that of antimicrobacterial, not antileprotic. So this question carries 3 marks. Definition for 1 mark and classification for 2 marks. Then second question, as you have seen in the earlier topics of antitubercular as well as antimalarial, here it is what is leprosy as that of what is malaria and what is tuberculosis. So same here, it is what is leprosy. So the answer which you are supposed to write is same as that I have told you in the video. First, the definition of leprosy along with the symptoms will give you the answer for what is leprosy. Then give the structure and uses of Dapsone. So here structure carries 1 mark, uses carries 1 marks, and total 2 marks. So this what is leprosy and structure uses total carries 3 marks. So structure and uses of Dapsone we have discussed earlier in the videos. Then write the structure. Second question is structure, chemical name and uses of Dapsone. So structure, again since 3 things they have asked, it is for 3 marks. Structure is for 1 mark, IUPAC is for 1 mark, and uses for 1 mark. So it comprises of 3 marks. So again you will see a repeatedly asked question on Dapsone only, not a single question other than Dapsone. Only the thing is that they have asked in some different ways. So here they have asked a straightforward question, structure, chemical name and uses of Dapsone. Here also they have asked a straightforward question, structure and uses of Dapsone. Now here they have asked a question, next question is name the drug used in treatment of leprosy. Now here you are supposed to write the drug which is used in treatment of leprosy. So again you can write the same drug, that is Dapsone. Or they have asked the question like name any 2 drugs which belongs to the antileprotic category. So you can write it from sulfone class or non-sulfone class, any one drug you can write down. So sulfone and solapsone. So solapsone is also known as solasulfone. So these 2 drugs you can quote, or any other drug if you want to quote you can. So this question carries 1 mark. Why? Because since they have just asked the name which is used in the treatment of leprosy. Then next question is name the microorganism causing leprosy. So here you are supposed to write the causative microorganism for the leprosy, as the question used to come in your first year health education and community pharmacy, that causative microorganism if you write down, then it comprise of 1 mark. So name the microorganism causing leprosy for 1 mark. Then write the structure, properties and uses of Dapsone. So structure, properties, uses, again structure for 1 mark, properties for 1 mark and uses for 1 mark. So structure, properties and uses 3 marks, and the name of causative microorganism 1 mark, and the question carries 4 marks. Then coming towards the next question, that is name any 2 drugs from sulfone category which are used in the treatment of leprosy. So again the question is same. You are supposed to name the 2 drugs, but they have specifically asked here that they should be from sulfone category. So again it is dapsone and solapsone which are used in the treatment of leprosy. So naming these 2 drugs will comprise of 1 mark, and drawing the structure and the chemical name of any one of them. So see here, solapsone also you can write down, or dapsone also you can write down. So no need to go for solapsone. Dapsone we have already done it. So structure and chemical name of dapsone. So again this structure and chemical name carries 1 mark, and naming this will carry 1 mark. So the total marks will become 3 marks. Then next question is give the medicinal uses of clofazimine. So clofazimine uses, they have asked it for 2 marks. This question may come in question 1 also, or it can be in as an adjoint question in any other question from question 2 to question 6. Then question 8, again see this question is fixed from each and every chapter. Draw the structure from the given chemical name. Since it is chemistry, this question will be there definitely from, I think, approximately from all the chapters. So at least 1 drug minimum average you will have from each chapter, that you are supposed to write the structure from the given chemical name. IUPAC name will be given to you people, and you are supposed to write down the structure. So now here for dapsone, again the question is on dapsone. So here 2 types, there are a number of ways, 2-3 ways also you can call it as possible, on which the question can be asked for the IUPAC. So this is first IUPAC name, that is 4,4-diamino diphenyl sulfone. So it is dapsone. And then bis 4-aminophenyl D-sulfone, it is D, capital D, sulfone. So it is bis 4-aminophenyl, bis means twice, and D-sulfone. Sulfone is 1, here actually the bracket would have been there to complete 4-amino diphenyl. So this question carries 1 mark for dapsone, again the structure. Question number 9, define the term leprostatic agent with the example. So you are supposed to define this definition, new definition, that is leprostatic agent. Now leprostatic agent definition, we have included it in the video of trick to remember the classification of antileprotic drugs. So this is leprostatic agent ka definition with example will carry 1 mark, and then stability storage uses of dapsone will carry 1 mark. Again stability storage and uses, so it is on dapsone only. That means complete dapsone drug you are supposed to study for the exam, including its structure, chemical name, stability storage, properties, uses, everything you are supposed to study about the dapsone. Except official preparation and brand names, they have not been asked till now. Then next last question is develop a structure and name the drug using following groups, or drugs using following groups. That means by using these groups, or by with the help of these names, you are supposed to develop a structure and you are supposed to name that structure. So first group is dianiline moiety or dianiline group, and sulfone, dianiline, that means 2 aniline. So it is phenyl and NH2, phenyl and NH2 is dianiline, and sulfone is SO2. So again these features are of dapsone. So developing this structure and writing the name, again it will carry 1 mark. So with this we finish with the repeatedly asked questions on antileprotic drugs. Thank you.